So now we're gonna get working on meal 4. That's our steak nachos. So this one is so super quick and easy. So I've got our steak meat here. I dice it up. I've got it marinated. I just did garlic, cumin. I had some chili powder and some paprika. If you have a package of taco seasoning, you can do that. Salt and pepper or oil on here. We're gonna get this in a hot skillet. We're gonna start searing it off. I've got our oven on, preheating. We're gonna lay out our nacho chips. We got our steak meat. We've got black beans here. We're gonna do a half can of black beans. We're gonna save the other half for another date. I'm gonna sprinkle some cheddar cheese on there, some shred Colby Monterey Jack cheese blend, and we're gonna get it all in the oven. So our nachos are going in the oven. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a little salad of lettuce, tomato, scallions, avocado, and I'm going to get my sour cream and salsa ready to go. Meal 4, that's our steak and black bean nachos. So it's just going to be a big old plate of nachos for everyone. You can even leave it on the sheet pan if you'd like. Everybody can just help themselves. You can transfer it to a cold sheet pan or a cold platter if you want to take it to the table and you're concerned about taking something hot. Or you can just take a spatula and just dish up a portion onto each person's plate. Serve it with a little bit of julienne lettuce, sour cream, tomatoes, scallions. Got a little extra salad here on the side with a little bit of avocado on it as well. I've got the salsa on the side, and I have still probably a third bag of the chips. So if you need more chips, you should have plenty of chips left over as well. Meal 4, steak and black bean nachos. Alrighty, there has been 18. These are some great looking dinners here. I don't foresee anybody giving you any grief over this. I think the kids will love this one. So we started off meal 1 with the chicken and a biscuit casserole. The casserole we just served with a simple salad with the iceberg lettuce that we're going to share with meal 4. So that's our chicken and a biscuit casserole. That's your home style casserole kind of dish. Then we moved into barbecue chicken pizza. So we used half the rotisserie chicken for the casserole. On the other half of the rotisserie chicken, we loaded it up on a pizza with barbecue sauce. We garlic sauteed some zucchini, and I've got mozzarella and provolone cheese on there, some scallions. Serving it with just a little bit of raw vegetables on the side. And you can do 1 or 2 pizzas on this meal. Barbecue chicken pizza, meal 2. Next, we moved into meal 3. So we made the French dips with the au jus, and we have that steakhouse potato salad. The French dip we served on the ciabatta roll with the mozzarella provolone cheese. It was from the same cut of meat, the London broil, that we used the remaining of that piece of meat to make our steak for our nachos, which are meal 4. Steak and black bean nachos with julienne lettuce, tomato, sour cream, salsa there, and then we also had a little extra salad too with avocado. So that's meal 4, our steak and black bean nachos. My family loves it when we just have nachos for dinner. They think it is A-OK. So to sum everything up, we have a half can of black beans and 2 ciabatta rolls that we'll pop in the freezer and save for later bins. Other than that, we pretty much used our ingredients throughout the bin and made some awesome looking food there. So we've got some concise menu planning here. So remember, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, please share the videos, please like the videos, and make comments as well. Also, you can join the club at HauteMomsDinnerClub.com. It gives you full access to all the recipes. You can print and download the grocery list for all these meals. So HauteMomsDinnerClub.com on that. Thanks so much for joining me today. Bin 18, Haute Moms Dinner Club.